risk of these diseases and help you live longer. 34 Trusted source, 35 Trusted source. Summary: cutting carbs leads to a significant reduction in blood pressure, which should reduce your risk of many common diseases. 8. Effective against metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a condition highly associated with your risk of diabetes and heart disease. In fact, metabolic syndrome is a collection of symptoms, which include abdominal obesity, elevated blood pressure, elevated fasting blood sugar levels, high triglycerides, low, good HDL cholesterol levels. However, a low-carb diet is incredibly effective in treating all 5 of these symptoms. 37 Trusted source. Under such a diet, these conditions are nearly eliminated. Summary: healthy low-carb diets effectively reverse all 5 key symptoms of metabolic syndrome, a serious condition which increases your risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. 9. Improved bad LDL cholesterol levels. People who have high bad LDL are much more likely to have heart attacks. 39. However, the size of the particles is important. Smaller particles are linked to a higher risk of heart disease, while larger particles are linked to a lower risk. 42. It turns out that low-carb diets increase the size of bad LDL particles while reducing the number of total LDL particles in your bloodstream. 43 Trusted source. As such, lowering your carb intake can boost your heart health. Summary: when you eat a low-carb diet, the size of your bad LDL particles increases, which reduces their harmful effects. Cutting carbs may also reduce the number of total LDL particles in your bloodstream. 10. Therapeutic for several brain disorders. Your brain needs glucose, as some parts of it can only burn this type of sugar. That's why your liver produces glucose from protein if you don't eat any carbs. Yet, a large part of your brain can also burn ketones, which are formed during starvation or when carb intake is very low. This is the mechanism behind the ketogenic diet, which has been used for decades to treat epilepsy in children who don't respond to drug treatment. 44. In many cases, this diet can cure children of epilepsy. In one study, over half of the children on a ketogenic diet experienced a greater than 50% reduction in their number of seizures, while 16% became seizure-free. 45. Very low-carb and ketogenic diets are now being studied for other brain conditions as well, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. 46 Trusted source. Summary: low-carb and keto diets have proven beneficial in treating epilepsy in children and are being studied for their effects on other brain conditions. The bottom line: few things are as well established in nutrition science as the immense health benefits of low-carb and ketogenic diets. Not only can these diets improve your cholesterol, blood pressure and blood sugar, but they also reduce your appetite, boost weight loss and lower your triglycerides. If you're curious to boost your health, one of these diets could be worth considering.